welcome to A1 Archery Hunting 365, no off-season.
Now we're back in Nebraska. This time, Seth Hudala and I are sneaking in a quick hunt before our Missouri turkey season opens, and we have to go back to work.
Well, leave it up to us. We traveled to Nebraska to get a little hunting before our Missouri season opens, and we hit a snowstorm. 2 days of snow, probably got between 6 and 8 inches on the ground. Cold, snowy, frozen. The birds had split up. I was here, about 10 days ago with Dad and Stuart. And the birds were just starting to split up then because of all the snow. They've gotten back together, and they're really grouped up. So we figured out where they want to go, and we set up on the flock.
Sleeting snow, freezing rain, but we're out here trying it anyway. I'm here with my good buddy Paul Korn.
I'd like to dedicate this hunt to Alejandro Escobedo, my hero.
These turkeys hang around all morning, but just out of range. Finally, after what seemed like forever, these birds are now within what I feel is my effective range.
I just shot that one. It was 42 yards. And I hit it low. It looks like I hit it in the leg, but it's struggling. We're going to give it a little time, and I'm going to slip over the hill. And Seth killed a turkey yesterday, so he still has a tag. I still have a tag. We can buy more if we need. We can shoot 3 birds apiece in Nebraska. I can actually hear turkeys right now, so we're going to have to end this. You hear that? I love it. Nebraska 2013. Come on.
Man, it wasn't 5 minutes, and this group of 2 Toms and 3 Jakes come right into our decoy. Well, we needed to do some jockeying before I could get my shot.
Did you see that? God, that was awesome. Yeah, baby. I shot that Tom, and he went hopping off over the hill. And there was 3 Jakes and 2 Toms coming in as we were talking about the bird I just shot. What is it, 19 degrees this morning, cold, miserable. I set the blind up. I didn't do it the way I normally do. I normally tilt it a little bit different, but we're under a tree. I'm having a hard time. I got a bunch of clothes on, and I'm hitting the back of the blind, and I can't get out the windows like I like. And no excuses, because you're supposed to figure this stuff all out before you come out to the field, but got a good chance. I know that one's down. That one's hurt pretty bad, so it's a good chance I'll get both those birds. So
We're just waiting a little bit longer to give my first Tom some more time.
he's like, what are all these feathers? Jake.
After these birds clear, I'm going to recover my turkeys. One up over the top of the hill, and by God, I hit him a little bit better than I thought I did. It was real high in the leg, so he really didn't go very far, only about 100 yards. Great morning in Nebraska. Seth Hudala and I in the blind. Finally getting to do a little hunting instead of guiding. That's always kind of fun. But we're going to run back to town, and I'm going to pick up another tag. I've got my 2 filled. I can buy 1 more, and we're going to give her again. Can't wait. A1 Archery, hunting 365, no off-season. A big thanks to Marlon Wiebelhaus of Wiebelhaus Guiding in Wynot, Nebraska.